Okay, so freeze panes versus split window. So what you can do is when you work with big tables where you scroll a lot, like here, then for example, I don't see here what is the column header. So what is this kind of 565? What is it? And then I have to scroll up. Ah, it's the purchase price. And when I go down again, it's gone. So what you can do here is to freeze, for example, the first row. How do you do that? You go to View in the ribbon, then you go to Freeze Panes, and then for example, you can say Freeze Top Row, and then you can see it. The first row stays there. You can also do that with the first column. So now you can see I can scroll to the right, and the first column stays like it is. Or what is also very interesting is when you, for example, want to be fully flexible and you want to have freeze panes here, which doesn't make any sense now, but just for the sake of showing it, you now can say freeze panes, and then on the top of the cell that was selected, and on the left side of it of the cell, the pen gets freezed. So now when I scroll down, then you can see that everything above the line stays constant, and on the left it's the same. And you can unfreeze it again by doing unfreeze panes here. That is also actually the most common way how to freeze, or how to make the columns and the first rows stable. There's another way how to do it, which is called split window. If I press that, and you can see it looks similar, only the line is bigger. The difference is that when you are in this one here, then you can navigate also in this one. So you can see it's actually changing. And here I can also go up and down in here, and also in this one. So there are a couple of cases where it makes sense to go for a split window. If you want to compare things, for example, then you can also move that, by the way. Then that might make sense, but in 95% of the cases, I rather work with the freeze panes. What you can also do, by the way, is just move it out. Then it's gone. You can also do it here. It's also gone. You can also do it like that, split, and then you will have the split on the first row.